This lesson is for beginner English learners. By the end, you'll be able to talk about your friends and describe them in simple English. Let's begin. Brian, do you have a lot of friends?
Not a lot, but I have a few close friends.
Close friends. That's a good phrase. It means very good friends.
Yeah, people you really trust.
Exactly. Listeners, you can say, I have a few close friends, or I have many friends.
What about you, Emily?
I have a few close friends too, maybe 4 or 5.
That's a good number.
Let's practice. Say, I have a few close friends.
I have a few close friends.
Great. Say it again.
I have a few close friends.
Perfect. Listeners, think about your friends. How many close friends do you have?
Emily, how do I talk about one friend?
Good question. You say, my friend's name is, and then the name.
My friend's name is Mike.
Nice. Tell me about Mike.
He's funny. We laugh a lot together.
That's great. Listeners, Brian said he's funny. This describes his friend.
How else can I describe someone?
You can use simple words: kind, smart, quiet, loud, friendly.
My friend Mike is loud, very loud.
Some people are like that.
But in a good way. He makes everything fun.
That's a good friend. Let's practice describing. Say, my friend is kind.
My friend is kind.
One more time.
My friend is kind.
Great job. Listeners, think of a friend. How would you describe them?
Emily, what about best friend?
Ah, best friend. That's your number one friend.
The most important one.
Right. You say, my best friend is plus the name.
My best friend is Mike.
You can also say, he's my best friend, or she's my best friend.
She's my best friend, for a girl.
Exactly. Let's practice. Say, she's my best friend.
She's my best friend.
Again.
She's my best friend.
Perfect. Do you have a best friend, Brian?
Yeah, Mike. We grew up together.
Grew up together. That means you were kids together.
Right, we met in elementary school.
That's a long friendship.
Like 20 years now.
Wow. Listeners, you can say, we met in school, or we met at work.
How did you meet your best friend?
We met at work 5 years ago.
That's nice. Work friends can become real friends.
Definitely. Let's talk about what friends do together.
Okay, like activities?
Yes, you can say, we hang out together.
Hang out. I use that all the time.
It means spending time together casually.
No big plans, just relaxing.
Exactly. Let's practice. Say, we hang out on weekends.
We hang out on weekends.
One more time.
We hang out on weekends.
Good. What do you and Mike do when you hang out?
We watch sports, play video games, sometimes get food.
Simple stuff.
Yeah, nothing fancy.
That's what friends are for, just being together.
Right, it's comfortable.
Listeners, you can describe activities with friends. We watch movies together, we go shopping together.
We go shopping together. That sounds fun too.
It is. Now, how do you ask about someone's friends?
I'm not sure.
You can ask, tell me about your friends.
Oh, that's open. They can say anything.
Right. Or you ask, do you have a best friend?
Do you have a best friend?
Simple and direct. Let's practice. Say, tell me about your friends.
Tell me about your friends.
Again.
Tell me about your friends.
Great. Now let's talk about old friends and new friends.
What's the difference?
Old friends are people you've known a long time. New friends are recent.
Mike is an old friend.
And do you have new friends?
A few from my gym.
Nice. You can say, I made a new friend.
I made a new friend at the gym.
Perfect sentence. Let's practice. Say, I made a new friend.
I made a new friend.
One more time.
I made a new friend.
Excellent. Making friends can be hard sometimes.
Yeah, especially as an adult.
True, but it's important to try.
Definitely.
Okay, let's review. You can say, I have a few close friends.
I have a few close friends.
Describe a friend with my friend is kind or my friend is funny.
My friend is funny.
And talk about activities. We hang out together.
We hang out together.
Great work today.
This was a nice topic.
Listeners, here's a question for you. Tell us about your best friend. What are they like? Leave a comment.
We want to hear your stories.
If you liked this lesson, subscribe for more. See you next time.
Bye, everyone.